guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is just gonna be like a get ready with me to go to my friend's birthday dinner. So you know the drill is gonna be, I'm gonna pop in, pop out with makeup, we're gonna pick an outfit, scent of the day, pack my bag, all those little cute little things. So if you're interested in that, keep watching. Bye. So this is the dress that I have in mind. It's just this colorful like summer dress, rouge with strings, from Shein, and it's one shoulder. Now I really actually don't like this dress, but we're just gonna make it work. Once I have my makeup done, my hair is already done, accessorized and everything, it'll all come together. Honestly, as long as I feel confident in it, then it will exude confidence. You wear the clothes do not wear you. So if you wear the outfit that you're not really comfortable in, if you're just all covering up and shy or whatever, people are not gonna think that you look good. That's just that. You shouldn't care what people think anyway, but just like for yourself, you're just not gonna feel good. Once you put it on, get your little accessories, your makeup, your hair, put it all together, who's gonna tell you anything? Nobody. So we're gonna put this dress on. Y'all gonna see how it's gonna look. So to go along with this, I have these orange heels from Shein as well. They're cute. We're going for a little summer vibe, clearly. Yeah, usually I don't do colorful shoes like that, but we're gonna do it today. It's a little different, a little out of my comfort zone. I always aim for black or like neutrals, so we're going colorful today. We could put it with a black bag because I'm not doing another color, that's just too much. So I was thinking of doing like this little mini bag that's also from Shein. At this point, Shein sponsored me because we're redoing here. So it's just this little mini purse with a gold chain, which means go with accessories. I'm gonna do my makeup, I'm gonna come back. Also, if y'all want like an everyday makeup look tutorial, let me know. I don't, Mom. You might as well say hi.
You too? You can't shave my nails in the camera.
Those are cute. Aww.
Courtesy of Shein.
Courtesy of Shein.
Don't sleep.
Both of us.
You're Shein as well?
Yeah.
Right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG. Right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Oh my. All the niggas round me, right and they.
Okay, guys, so here's the face, a little something, not too much. Here's the dress with the shoes. Hopefully you guys can see everything. If you can't, I'm really sorry. But this is the look. Ignore the scrunchie. So now we're gonna pack the bag. I literally have 10 minutes until I'm getting picked up. But before we start rushing or whatever, the scents of the day is Fiji, Sunshine and Guavatini from Bath and Body Works. Smells super good, smells like tropical, and it's like the vibe I'm going for. So but since this was just a body spray, I'm thinking about going in with this sapphire perfume that I got from Marshall's. So let's just, oh my gosh. So let's just pack my bag. Oh no, necklace, gold. Honestly, I don't want to do this little simple one, but I don't have time to be looking for anything other than this right now. So yeah, and I got my gold earrings. I have a gold anklet on. I kind of don't, I wish I had like a cute bracelet, but I don't. I might pop on some rings, but let's pack my bag. Yeah. You see me do me da 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 da. So tell me about that work. Na 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 na. When you walk out, na 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 na. Okay, guys. So I had my bag packed, as you just saw. I'm just gonna do finishing touches, but I just need your help. Yikes! I just need your help. I don't know if I want to wear my hair down or if I want to wear it in like a high ponytail. I don't know. What is it giving? Should I just leave it alone? I don't know, cause like to the side is kind of a look. It's like, oh my gosh, you see here? Honestly, I'm gonna make a decision, but this concludes the end of this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Mikaylah Rachelle is out. Don't get out of the way, no one long distance. I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it.